Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for the Toyota Corolla. Okay, first thing first, release the emergency key here. See this lever here, you push it one side, right? You put the key out and you see the inside there's a gap, like, you know, there's a gap. You can use the key blade, right, to twist it open like that. See, you twist it open. Okay, make sure the logo side is facing up, yeah, otherwise the or everything will fall out. Okay, here's a CR2032 battery, pry it up. Yep. To replace it, the spring side going first, and then put the two part together, press it down. Okay, put the mechanic key back on. Yep. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.